Click on the link below to get price. The Global Industrial Dehumidifier Commercial Grade Low Grain Refrigerant 250 Pint Dehumidifier is an impressive addition for anyone dealing with moisture control in large spaces. With its robust capacity, this unit is designed to handle high humidity environments efficiently, making it ideal for warehouses, basements, and other commercial settings. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its remarkable 250 pint capacity, which allows it to extract an extraordinary amount of moisture from the air, up to 250 pints per day under optimal conditions. This is particularly beneficial in areas prone to dampness or in locations where humidity levels fluctuate significantly. The low-grain refrigerant, LGR, technology enhances performance by lowering the dew point, ensuring that even the most stubborn moisture is effectively eliminated. The unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for environments where noise could be a distraction. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and it is equipped with a built-in pump for continuous drainage, making maintenance hassle-free. Users can set the desired humidity levels via an intuitive digital control panel, which also displays real-time readings for easy monitoring. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions provided, allowing users to get the unit up and running with minimal effort. Many users have praised its energy efficiency, noting that it operates without significantly increasing energy bills, which is essential for commercial use. While the initial investment might seem high, the long-term benefits in terms of improved air quality and prevention of mold and mildew make it a worthwhile investment. The Global Industrial Dehumidifier stands out not only for its performance but also for its reliability and user-friendly features. Overall, this unit is a solid choice for those seeking a powerful, efficient solution to manage humidity in commercial settings. Its ability to maintain a comfortable and safe environment makes it a must-have for anyone serious about moisture control.